Welcome back to CSONS at Home. We've changed venue again. We're in the Green Cafe kitchen. We'll get started. We're starting with some Gloucester Old Spot pork belly from the Ludlow Farm shop. We've got some slaw and pickles. Got some char suey kind of sauce. Some slaw dressing, which is kind of like Asian vibe dressing. Some sesame and peanut sauce and some sesame and peanuts. So I think the first thing we need to do is to get a pan hot for the pork. Whilst the pan's heating up, I'm going to get my slaw. Just empty her out into the bowl. There's a few pickles that you can sort of pull out to the side for a bit of extra garnish if you desire. And I don't think it matters if I dress this now whilst that's heating up. So on goes my dressing. Just give it a little toss. Pan's getting hot. Put a little bit of oil down, but we're going to start off just by colouring up the pork. So I might just give it a little sprinkle of salt. There we are. We're looking for a nice golden colour. So in goes the char siu glaze. I'll do just a little splash of water. That's going to reduce down and turn it into a nice sticky pork. So we're going to start off with our slaw, which I think is going to mound up one side and then just kind of dot the pickles about. They're nice and sticky, all good. Plenty of that nice sauce. This is the sesame and peanut sauce. Going all over. Finally, go with our peanuts.